Today, you'll learn how to open a bank account in English. This is super important for living in a new country. You'll feel more confident about your money. Welcome to Daily English Bites. Have you ever felt lost when trying to do something important in English? Like going to the bank? Many people find this a bit scary, but it doesn't have to be. We'll make it simple today. First, let's talk about why you need a bank account. A bank account helps you keep your money safe. You can pay for things easily. You can also receive money, like your salary. It's very convenient. When you go to the bank, you will probably need to make an appointment. This means you call or go online to choose a specific time and date to meet with a bank employee. It's good to call ahead. Don't just show up. They might be busy, so remember to make an appointment. This makes sure someone is ready to help you. What documents do you need? This is important. You will definitely need your passport. Your passport proves who you are. It shows your photo and your full name. It's your main form of ID. Sometimes they might ask for a second ID. This could be a driver's license from your home country. Always bring your passport. It's the most important document. You will also need proof of address. This shows where you live. What is proof of address? It could be a utility bill, like an electricity bill or a gas bill. It has your name and address on it. Sometimes a rental agreement can work too. This is a paper that says you rent a place. Make sure the address on your proof matches your current home. Banks need to know where you live. This helps them send you important letters. So, to recap, you need to make an appointment. You will need your passport and you will need proof of address. Got it? These three things are your starting point. When you arrive for your appointment, you'll meet a bank teller or a bank representative. They will ask you some questions. They want to understand your needs. For example, they might ask, "Why do you want to open an account?" You can say, "I need to receive my salary," or "I want to save money." Keep your answers simple and clear. The bank representative will explain different types of accounts. The most common one is a checking account. This account is for your everyday money. You use it to pay bills. You use it for shopping. You can take money out easily. It's for active use. You might also hear the term current account in some countries. It means the same thing. Another common account is a savings account. This account is for money you want to save. You don't use it every day. It often earns a little extra money called interest. This is a small reward from the bank for keeping your money with them. So, a checking account is for spending, and a savings account is for saving. Do you think you will need both? Many people have both. When you decide which account you want, they will give you some forms to fill out. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. You can always ask, "Could you please explain this part?" Or, "What does this mean?" It's okay to ask questions. It's better to ask than to make a mistake. They are there to help you. After you fill out the forms, they will process your application. This means they check all your information. If everything is okay, your account will be opened. You will usually get a debit card. A debit card lets you use your money directly from your checking account. You can use it in shops. You can use it at ATMs to take out cash. It's very convenient. It's not a credit card. A credit card lets you borrow money. A debit card uses your own money. Sometimes they will mail your debit card to your home. This is why proof of address is so important. Make sure your address is correct. You might also get a PIN. A PIN is a secret number. You use it with your debit card. Never share your PIN with anyone. Keep it safe. So let's review. You make an appointment. You bring your passport and proof of address. You choose between a checking account and a savings account. You fill out forms, then you get a debit card. That's a lot of steps, but each one is simple. Have you ever gone to a bank and felt overwhelmed? It's a normal feeling, but breaking it down into steps helps. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the easier it gets. One more thing to remember, online banking. Most banks offer online banking. This lets you manage your money from your computer or phone. You can check your balance. You can pay bills. You can transfer money. It's very helpful. Ask the bank representative how to set up online banking. They can guide you through it. It usually involves creating a username and a password. Let's imagine a short scenario. You walk into the bank. You say, "Hello, I have an appointment to open a bank account." The person at the desk will direct you. You meet the representative. You sit down. They say, "What kind of account are you looking for?" You might say, "I'd like to open an asterisk checking account and an asterisk savings account." They will ask for your asterisk passport and proof of address. You hand them your documents. They explain the process. You fill out the forms. You ask questions if you need to. Soon, you'll have your new account and your debit card. It might take a few days for your card to arrive, or you might get a temporary card right away. Banks are different, but the general process is similar everywhere. Don't be afraid to ask, "When will I receive my debit card?" Or, "How do I activate my card?" These are common questions. Remember, the goal is to feel comfortable and confident. You are learning a new skill. It's okay to take your time. You are doing great. Keep practicing these phrases. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. This whole process of opening an account is a big step. It shows you are settling into your new life. It gives you more control over your finances, and that's a wonderful feeling. You are doing a great job learning English and navigating new situations. Thank you for joining Daily English Bites today. Keep practicing, and you'll master this in no time. See you next time.